Alright, what's up guys? I just dropped my Chrysler 300 off at the Muffler Shop. They're gonna do a mid-muffler swap for Magnaflow and then straight pipe back. So delete the resonators and just straight pipe it. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes, so wish me luck.
Zombie apocalypse.
What is up guys? I'm actually currently leaving the Muffler Shop, so I'll give you guys a little sound test on how it sounds here in a sec. But it sounds really good from what I hear. Just at idling, I think I'm impressed. The drone isn't too bad either. Not unbearable, that's what I was afraid of. Not too bad. I think it sounds really good. I was afraid it was gonna be too loud, but I like it. I guess hop on the highway and then really unleash it. Basically, what I did, or had them do, because I didn't want to do it myself and mess up anything, is I had them cut out the mid muffler, put a Magnaflow in the place for the mid muffler, and then just did a resonator delete and straight piped it straight back. So it should add some, I've done some research and it said it would add horsepower, but I don't know. It might open it up a little bit. We'll see. But I do have to put cold air intake after this. That'll be my next one. Does sound like it's getting more power. Sounds like it. Kind of felt like it too, but not by much. Sounds good. Really digging it. Sorry if the camera's kind of shaky. I'm on the highway. Open up my NOS real quick. Alright, what's happening? YouTube? Pery-Ayes Real Life Adventures back. I know, I was just like in that last video. But, anyways. Like I was saying, I've seen some YouTubers making videos of their exhaust system and what they did, and but I don't think I've seen them like go really into depth. Like, I saw the one YouTuber that I have in mind is Foosh, and he's a great YouTuber. Like, he does a lot of modifications on his Chrysler 300, but the one that he didn't really go super into depth with and like show like what had gotten done with the exhaust. He just kind of explained it. He basically cherry bombed it, so he just took the mid muffler, put a cherry bomb, and then straight piped back, which is exactly what I did, but I did with the Magnaflow. And I'll show you exactly what I mean, and I'll post a video, or I'll put a video into this clip later on in the video. Of what it looks like underneath, and I think that little detail will help out. I'm not bagging on Foosh either. He's a great YouTuber. Like, he's one of my inspirations for my car, because we have pretty much the identical car. He's done a lot of modifications to his, of course, but we have pretty much the same car. He has the 300S, and I have the 300, which I don't have the shifters and I don't have the sports mode and all that. But you can always upgrade it to make it fast, you know? You don't need all that fancy stuff from the get-go. You can upgrade it to make it fancy. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I'll give you a little cold start and revs, high revs, medium revs, you know, in the video you're about to see now. I'm gonna be doing some revs for you. I'm gonna do a low rev, medium rev, and then high rev. Then I'll do a cold start for you tomorrow because it's not cold, it's still warm. But yeah. Cold start, so let's start it up. It's been sitting for a few hours. It's not the morning, but it'll do the same effect. What is up, guys? It's been a few days since I made that video. I think it's actually been like 2 weeks. But anyways, yeah, I mean, I'm digging the exhaust. It sounds really good. It's not super loud, but it's not super quiet, and that's exactly what I was going for. I wasn't going for like annoyingly loud, if that makes sense. Yeah, it sounds really good. It's a really good price. I just went to my local muffler shop, I bought a muffler from them and then had them put them on. It was like $400. I know if you go to some shops and you bring them a muffler, they're gonna charge you more, so you're gonna end up paying more. So like, might as well just buy the muffler there, you know? You're gonna spend less time waiting for the muffler to ship to you or wherever you get it from, and yeah, it's gonna be cheaper in the end. Stay tuned for my next videos. I'm gonna be getting a cold air intake here soon. I don't know when I'm gonna put the video out though, so just stay tuned for that. And yeah, if this video helped you out, just leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you really liked it and you like some of my content, and maybe you want to see some future stuff with my Chrysler. So I have a lot planned for that. I kind of want to turbo it, but they don't make any turbo kits for my Chrysler, so I'd have to like make my own turbo kit, which is a lot of work. It sounds like a lot of work, and it'd be my first car that I'd turbo, so I don't know. If you guys want to see me turbo it, just leave a comment in the comments below and tell me what you think. But for now, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.